Welcome to Costa Maya. In this video, we will explore everything you can experience right at the cruise port without needing an excursion. Stay tuned to discover the surprises that await. Hey everyone, I'm Traveling Karina. Welcome to my channel where I share my experiences to give you an idea of what to expect on your own adventures. Today we are exploring Costa Maya, a port I visited aboard the Carnival Jubilee. First, I think it's worth mentioning that this port can get fairly busy. On this day, there were 3 ships docked, making it quite crowded at the start. I visited before with only 2 ships in port, and that was much more comfortable. However, the further in you explore, the less crowded it gets. There are 2 pool areas available to use at this cruise port. The first one is in the heart of the cruise center and one of the first things you'll see. The second pool area is in the newer section further in, which definitely helps disperse the crowds. We were lucky and entered the main port area just as the pole flying act was starting. I'm not sure if they have a set schedule, but it's definitely a neat show to watch. We ended up climbing the steps of this structure to watch from the top. It was less crowded and offered a great viewpoint. Apologies for the bright sun in the footage.
Once again, let's put your hands together for the Papa Flyers. Welcome to Costa Maya. Welcome to paradise.
There are many things to do and see at this cruise port. You'll find plenty of shopping opportunities, numerous bars and restaurants, an aerial walkway, and even a small beach area for those who want to put their feet in the sand. As I mentioned earlier, there are 2 pools available to use. However, there are signs stating that chairs are only for those that purchase food and drink. When I asked a staff member how much you needed to spend to get a chair, he didn't have a solid answer. It seemed that as long as you purchased something, you were welcome, but I don't know for sure. Definitely ask your server before purchasing. We are now en route to the second pool area. To find this spot, keep following the signs that say Port Exit. Before reaching the exit, you'll come across the second pool, lounge chairs, and bars. We also took a quick walk outside the cruise center, and I will show you that next.
Oh, thank you.
As mentioned, we ventured out of the cruise center to see what was nearby. We saw a sign stating that we could walk downtown and it would take about 40 minutes. But we didn't end up going that far, so I can't provide details on what is there. When exiting, you'll have other options presented to you, such as taxis, day tours, and golf cart rentals. I haven't tried any of these, so I don't have any experience to share. Along the way, we came across a small pharmacy, a convenience store, and a pyramid. We took some pictures and then headed back to the cruise center.
It says watch out for crabs, monkeys, and birds. Okay. Great. You got Diet Coke in there? Yeah. Just to show, like, hey, look. They got ice cream. They got. That's a bar. Yeah, yeah, actual convenience store bar. Oh no, thank you. Yep, I do.
If you enjoyed this video, check out my other cruise port videos in my What to Expect series. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future ports and cruise travels. And whatever you decide to do in Costa Maya, have a fantastic time. Thank you for watching and happy cruising.